crafters. I'm Verna from StampinNotes.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I love to share the joy of paper crafting and card making. So today I have a cute little treat box to share with you. It is holding a Ghirardelli milk chocolate snowman. You can see the box is embossed also with the winter snow embossing folder. This one's done in white, and here's one done in Pacific Point. And I have another one done in real red. And I am using the little treat box die set. I'm using the large die that makes the little treat box. And then we're going to cut a little frame out of the front of that. These are all of the dies that come with it. There's wedding, Halloween, snowman, snow hat, ornaments, and this is the die that makes the little box, and that's what we're going to use tonight. So I'll show you how to make this. It's very simple. It's fun. It's a great way to dress up your little party favors, or for your stocking stuffers or family get-together. It's just really cute and fun to give these little treats. And by the way, there's a big clearance sale starting tomorrow, Tuesday, December 8th, and this die set happens to be on sale at 30% off. It's normally, I believe, $38, and it will be $26.60, and it is on page 70 in the mini catalog, the mini holiday catalog. This is the die set, and there is an accompanying stamp set that goes with that. And if you decide to get that and you do shop with me and you place an order of $50 or more, use my December host code at checkout. There'll be a place when you check out to put in a host code, not a coupon, but a host code, and use that, and then I will know that you have placed an order and that you would like the free gift that I am offering with a $50 order before tax and shipping. And that free gift is the embossing folder that we're using tonight, the winter snow embossing folder. I love this. I use it a lot. Okay, so let's show you how to get started making this adorable little treat box. And I'm going to bring in my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. This is new. This is super neat because it folds up and you can just store it easily. And the other neat thing about it, the base plate for this machine lists what you need, what plates you need for the different things that need to be cut and embossed. So we are using just regular plates, regular dies, and we're going to use number 1, which is the one I have here. We're also going to use number 2, and that is on the diagram, and then 2 of number 3s, and these are the plates, and as you can see, mine are very well worn, and I need to probably get some new ones pretty soon. And I have a half a sheet of cardstock. This is 8.5 by 5.5, and this die will fit on there. And so I'm going to lay this on my half sheet of cardstock. This happens to be Balmy Blue, and I'm using a little tag from the Tasteful Labels dies, and this is the little tag I'm using to make our cutout window for the little snowman. So I'm going to put that right there. I'm going to take a Post-it to anchor that down so it doesn't move. I'm going to lay that on there like that, and that will hold it while we run it through the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. And we need the other plate on top, and I'm just going to crank this through. And I know my phone is moving. Sorry about that. So let's look and see what we've got here. And you want to save these little tags. So I will save that. And what's great about this die is that it gives you a nice, you've got your shape for your box. All the folds are cut, and of course this will be our front. Now, because I want to have that embossed, I'm going to use bring in the winter snow embossing folder. And you're really supposed to put your, embossing folder through with the closed end through the machine. It saves on it because I want to only do half of this. I don't know, can you see it? Because I want to only do half of this, I'm lining it up on this second line where the back of the box will fold. And I'm going to put it in this way. And for this, we want plate number 1. And we just want the 2 number 3 plates. So we need our bottom plate, and then this plate, and this is going to go on the top like that. And we're going to crank this through. And it's going to leave that beautiful snowflake impression. And I'm going to move the machine out because I am done with that for now. And as you see, isn't that pretty? So pretty. So I'm going to take and I'm just going to fold these on the line where it was scored with a cut and emboss machine. And like that. Actually, I'm going to bring my bone folder in and just press that off so that it's creased good. And then we're going to go this way along the back side here. Now, normally when you fold this box up, it folds like this, and you've got a little flap to put in the back here to hold it like that. And then you've got this would go in the front here. But because we don't want those because it's going to hide the snowman's body, so I'm going to come in with some long shears, and I'm going to cut it down back to about 1/4 of an inch. So I'm going to cut off about that much, and this isn't going to show. And I'm going to go take it to the other side and do the same thing. Like that. We're going to put those aside. And so this is going to come up like this now. And that will fold in there. And then those flaps won't show. So I'm going to bring in my tear and tape. This is such a great adhesive. It is strong. Usually for boxes or anything that you need a good hold on, this is the stuff to use. So, and it's called tear and tape because you just tear off how much you need. I'm going to put that on there like that. And then we'll take this top layer off. There's a top layer that peels back. We'll just take it off and pull it up. Now I'm going to bring this back up. I'm going to line it up along the edge of the front of my little box for the snowman, like that. I'm going to bring the back and put that in there. And then you don't have to do this because the ribbon would hold it, but I'm going to just put a piece of tear and tape on the back here so it adheres good to this little box right here. I'll bring that up like that. Isn't that cute? So let's grab a Ghirardelli chocolate snowman. And here he is in all his glory. Milk chocolate. Yum, yum. I'm going to put a little glue dot on the back of that, just to hold it in place in the box so he doesn't swing around there. And we're gonna, oops, sorry. I'm gonna take and push that all the way down there. and press that against the back of that box. Okay, so all we have left to do is our ribbon, and I'm using that beautiful polka dotted tulle ribbon. It's so easy to use. It just ties great, and I'm going to use about 10 to 12 inches of this, and I'm just going to thread it through here. Make that tinier like that. And there we go. And we'll just make our little, we'll tie it off right here. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell that's to the right of it, and you will get notifications whenever I upload a video. These are just so cute. You could even hang them on the tree. There, isn't that adorable? And here's all the other ones with the different colors. You could even use red ribbon or whatever you're in the mood for. There you go. And I hope you have a great week, and I'll be back next week. Take care.